Hi everyone, today I'm going to introduce this long-awaited Mr. 12V Apple CarPlay installed on a Mercedes SL class. It is a 2014 model with a NTG 4.5. There we go. That's the product that has been pre-installed. It is probably the most advanced CarPlay interface of its class because it has a built-in MOS bus. You can see the orange cable. That's connected through the fiber optical of the Mercedes, and therefore the sound quality, the audio quality is just amazing. And now I'm going to show you how it works. Now we are on the original menu of the Mercedes. You go to video and select TV, and there you go. That's the menu of the Mr. 12V, and we have this CarPlay connected wirelessly. And some people will ask, what if I don't have a TV features? That's very simple. It's all being done by this little great piece of interface, Mr. 12V. It has a built-in TV enabler, so once it's connected, just do a few simple steps to activate the TV features. This video will be done separately on our YouTube channel.